Welcome, and thank you for joining me to make a card of a cat for a wedding for some people who love their kitty cat. Quickly sketching the cat ahead really helped me have a more symmetrical picture that I could trace. Sometimes I just draw freehand and sometimes I trace. So this one I wanted to make sure that it was symmetrical before I began. Speaking of symmetrical, one part that's tricky for me generally is the eyes, and I started with measuring out the space, and then I drew my eyes with 2 dew points, and then I made the outside of the eyes, and after that I checked it with a ruler and added a little bit more to one of the eyes in order to make it the same shape and size as the other. And this was really where I took the most time. After that, finishing it off with a cute little smile was easy. Now, because this is for a wedding, I wanted this cat to be really fancy. So this is their cat, and he is wearing a bow tie. So the bow tie is pretty simple. I went for like a Hello Kitty style tie, and it just includes a centerpiece with 2 bows and a line to show a little depth. Finishing off the ears, I went back and did another line over the ear line that I did with the pink so that they would stick out a little more because it's a soft color. And then I decided to go all the way around the entire cat, retracing my line to make it a little bit thicker. This is a trick that a friend of mine showed me a long time ago as she tried to encourage me to draw first time with markers, permanent markers, so that I couldn't correct but only add to. It's a great technique. Sometimes I do it. I don't always have the confidence. So here it is, one kitty cat card for a wedding couple. It's their cat, and I hope they enjoy it as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you and making this card. Have a wonderful week, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.